time has come. Why am I just sitting here? Please, someone help me. Okay, we'll help you. Yay! Please like and subscribe. Wait, what? Oh! Oh! It's a book! Oh my gosh! Wait. Dude, it's just me. I'm a buckethead. Oh, hey. Hey, I don't want to be on TV. Me either. Anyways, guys, this will be the Plants vs. Zombies video of Puppet. They're origami's. I like being a buckethead. I'm a pea shooter, yo! Get on pee. Nah, who cares about that person? But I rule! Hey! Is this YouTube? Oh, hi, YouTube! It's just, I'm a big fan of YouTube. Me too! Now that was a big imp. Dun 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 dun. I'm a foot soldier! I just killed that pea shooter, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Look at my bag. I swear I have no idea what you're doing, but I'm a trash can zombie. And we are twins! I'm a coffin zombie, and I'm a trash can zombie. Trash can zombie. Coffin zombie. Anyways. I like it. I like it when I'm and if I stop doing it, I'm a chomper, yo. I'm a chomper, yo. Potato mine. Dun, 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 dun. It's a lovely day, and I'm a gargantuar. Dun, 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 dun. What? We're all gonna die. I told you. Okay, it's easy to kill Potato Mine. There, you're dead. Super brains! Ah! Oh my gosh! I threw it up in the air, and then I went in the fan. The fan. The fan. It is I, Dr. Zambas. I'm the ugliest. Dude, your sound is stupid annoying. I'm a Zima, don't mess with him. I exploded. I'm a football player. Just, I'm going in there lovely. Who the heck is this? Get away from me. Well, I am a flag zombie. We have a wave of huge zombies coming in your plant. Why should we go? I am the heel zombie. I am the heel zombie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. And as you can see, my legs are ripped. But who cares? Anyways, I hope you like this video. And I know you haven't got to see Crazy Dave, but here's Dr. Patient. Hi. Here's Captain Deadbeard. Here's Crazy Dave. Groggle McFroggle. Groggle, 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 blah, 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 blah. Play. And here, is Barf. You will see him in Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2. Garden Warfare 2, not Plants vs. Zombies 2. I don't know why I put that there. And he's like, ooh, potato! He's in one of the quests, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye! Kill us all.